Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to study mental maths. Okay, so let's start. So children, mental maths, chapter 3, pages 18, 19. Okay, first open the page 18. Children, uh, we will be doing division, page 18. Okay, so revision of mental maths, page 18. Again repeat. So take out and open this page, children. Assignment 16. Okay, see. A. Put greater than sign. You see, greater than sign, less than sign, lesser than, greater than, lesser than sign, and equal to, less than, equal to in the given box. See here, 43, box 34. So you put the correct uh, sign, greater than, less than, equal to. So see first 43. Okay, 43, 34. Okay, so first number you see big or otherwise small. So see, 43 is bigger than 34. Bigger than 34 means big number, 43. So it's greater than is great number, big number. So your sign also greater than sign. Number 2, 17, 37. Starting number 17, 1, 7, 17. So you know 37 is big number, is big number, and 17 is small number. Okay, so 17 is smaller than 37. So 17 small number. So you sign less than sign. You would write here less than sign. Okay. Number 3, 18. See here, 28. Okay. 18, 1, 18. After then 28. 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 18 is less than 28. Small number. Small number, starting number, small number. So less than sign. Okay. Number 4, 30, 20. 30, you know, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So starting number 30. So 30 is bigger than 20. So your sign greater than sign. Okay. Next 5, 32. Left side 32. Right side 32. Same number. So equal to, sign equal to. Okay. Next 6, 18, 39. 18 is smaller than 39. 18, 19, 20. 18 is starting number, small number. Then 18, 19, 20. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. See, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 18 small number, 39 big number. So starting, see children, starting number is small number. So your sign, yes, less than sign. Okay. Practice children. Okay. 7, 49, 29. Okay. So see here, tens, 9 is same. Okay, ones is same, but tens is different. 4, 4, 2. So you know children, 4 tens is bigger than 2 tens. So 49 is bigger than 29. Clear? So your sign also right here. Sign is big number, starting number is big number. So greater than sign. Okay. Next 8. 14, 14. See, left side, right side. Same number. So equal to. Okay. Next 9. 22, 32. You know 22 is very small, 30 then 32. So 22 starting number, small number. So your sign is less than sign. Next 10, 16. See, left side 16, right side 46. So 16 is smaller than 46. 16 is small number, then 46, because 46 is big number, 46 is big number. So your sign is less than sign, because 16 is small number. Okay, 16 is smaller than 46. So your sign is less than sign. Okay, so children practice. Okay. Next B. Okay, B, page 18, B. B, see children, everyone follow me. Okay, make bigger and smaller numbers by using the given digits. Make bigger and smaller. You first make bigger number. See here, 32 is bigger than 23. So first you write here bigger number and smaller number. Okay, then smaller number. So see here, number 1, 3 and 2. 32 first write. See here, greater than sign. Greater than sign means you write first great number, means big number. Starting number is big number, you write here. Okay, so I write here 2 and 1. So you write first 21. Okay, 12. 12 is small number. So first number you see sign is greater than. So your number, first number you write 21. Okay. Next number 3, 43. 4 and 3. 4, see here, 4 and 3. So you write first 43 is big number. See, greater than sign, and right side you write here 34. Okay, 43, 34. Okay, next 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So 41. Okay, 41 greater than sign, 1, 4, 14. Okay, next number 5, 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Write first 31 greater than sign, so you write here small number 13. Okay, so 3 and 2. 32, 23 greater than 23. 2 and 1, number 2 question. 21 greater than 12. Number 3. 4 and 3. 43 greater than sign 34. Question 4. 1 and 4. 41 greater than sign 14. 5, 3 and 1. So first you write greater number 31. Okay, greater than 13. So I hope everyone understood this page 18. Children, practice. Okay, next page 19. Page 19. Children, page 19. See here, put plus or minus in the given boxes and write the answer. See here, one has been done for you. See here, Radha had rupees 42. Her mother gave her rupees 5. How many rupees did she have now? Okay, so this is addition. How many rupees did she have now? So first one you understood this question. Radha had rupees 24 to 42. Had rupees 42. Her mother gave her 5 rupees. 5 rupees. So how many? Total number. Total rupees. How many rupees did she have now? The total addition is so 47. Next, Manju got 32 bananas. Okay, Manju got 32 bananas. She gave 16 to her friends. 32 bananas. Manju got 32 bananas. Manju gave 16 to her friends. So how many bananas has she now at present? So minus. Okay, 32 minus 16. So answer 16. 3. Sania had 45 balls. Had 45 balls. She sold 15 balls. She now has. So Sania had 40. Number 3 question. 45 balls. She sold 15 balls. Sold, left. So she now has. So sign is minus. Okay. 5 minus 5. Any problem, children? Draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0. Next 4 minus 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 minus. So 1, 2, 3. So answer is 30. So children, Sania had 45 balls. She sold 15 balls. She now has. So she now has. You write here minus sign. Okay, and write here 30 balls. Okay, 30 balls. Next 4. Question 4. 4. Raju had 16 kites. Had 16 kites. Okay, his brother gave 4 more. Gave 4 more. So Raju now has gave more. His brother gave 4 more. So addition class. So 16. I write here 16 plus 4. Okay. 16 minus 4. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You write here 20. Otherwise you have problem. So 6. Okay. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You draw the lines. Again you write 1, 2, 3, 4. Total you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means 0. So 1 carry. 1 plus 1. I write here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. It's clear? So answer is 20. Okay. Next 5. Deepa had 23 apples. She gave 13 to Anu. Had 23 apples. Deepa had 23 apples. She gave 13 to Anu. She now has. Gave 13 to, so she now has minus. Okay. 5. Number 5. 23. 3. 13. Okay. 3. Any problem? Draw the lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 less 1, 2, 3. So 0. 2, 1, 2, 1. Left 1. So answer is 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. 10 apples. She now has 10 apples. Okay, clear? Next 6. Anil had 22 toffees. Salma took away 11 toffees. Anil had 22 toffees. Salma took away 11 toffees. Anil now has. So, question 6 is minus. Take away, left, right here. So, your question minus. Okay. Minus sign. So 6, 22, 11. Okay. You know 1, 2. So 1 less. 1 answer. Same 11. So answer is 11. 11 toffees. Anil now has 11 toffees. So I hope everyone understood. Page 18 and 19. Now children, write your diary, homework. Take out your diary, homework, chapter 3, pages 18, 19. Okay, so practice.